In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Microsoft Word file to both your PC and OneDrive. Saving your documents correctly is vital for ensuring that all your hard work is preserved and easily accessible whenever you need it. Whether you're drafting a report, crafting a resume, or writing creatively, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to have your Word document open. If it's a new document or an existing one you've been working on, make sure everything looks just how you want it. Having your document ready means you're already on the right track. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Word interface. Here you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, navigate down to the option labelled Save As. Choosing this option is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to determine the specific location where your file will be stored, and it also allows you to rename your file if necessary. As the Save As dialog box appears, you'll encounter a range of options for saving your file's location. For those who want the convenience of accessing their document from anywhere and sharing it easily with others, selecting OneDrive is your best bet. Click on the OneDrive option, which ensures your file will be securely saved in the cloud, accessible from any device connected to the internet. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose a specific folder within OneDrive to save your document. This step is important as it helps keep your files organized, making them easier to find later. If you don't already have a folder set up for documents like this, consider creating one based on the project or type of work. Organization is key. After choosing the desired location in OneDrive, you'll then hit the Save button. With one simple click, your document is now saved securely in your chosen folder in OneDrive. But what if you also want a version saved directly to your PC? No worries, we have that covered too. Repeat the process, but instead of selecting OneDrive in the Save As dialog box, choose a local location on your PC, like the Documents folder. Again, it's about keeping your files organized, so choose or create a folder where this document belongs. Finally, click Save. There you have it, a foolproof method for saving your Microsoft Word documents to both your PC and OneDrive. Ensuring your files are backed up and accessible is as straightforward as following these steps. Thanks for tuning in today and happy document saving.